Tailwind CSS, a utility-first CSS framework that provides low-level utility classes, enabling you to build custom designs directly within your HTML. But what does that actually mean, and how does it compare to traditional CSS frameworks? Let's start by looking at how you might traditionally write styles. In this example, we define a dot button class, which applies background color, padding, and border radius. This works, but it can lead to repetitive code and make your HTML less flexible. Now with Tailwind, we apply predefined utility classes directly to the HTML. Here, the BG Blue 500 class sets the background color, Text White applies the text color, P2 sets padding, and Rounded gives it rounded corners. The result is the same, but without needing to write a separate CSS class. Tailwind CSS provides a wide range of utility classes that control everything from colors and typography to spacing and layout. These utilities allow you to style individual properties like margin, padding, font size, and more without having to leave your HTML. To install Tailwind, first paste this code in the head of the HTML file. If you're using VS Code, make sure you have the Tailwind CSS extension installed. Keep in mind that if you're using a framework for building your website, it would be best advised to follow the guide you can find in the official Tailwind documentation. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more web development tutorials. Thanks for watching.